It is unusual to see a female lead in Tamil cinema to play an ethical hacker. It is rare to see that a heroine goes against the cops here to prove her father's innocence, who got trapped in crime quagmire. It is even more rarer to see a lead role has not been forced to slightest semblance for a romantic track. For these few reasons and many more, November Story is a positive development in Tamil OTT space. Hey guys, this is Pankaj Veer and you're watching me on Reviews Unplugged, where you're definitely gonna get the real insight. Guys, today I'm going to give you my review about a web series with the name of November Story, which is currently streaming on Disney Hotstar Plus, and available language is Tamil and Hindi both. Every episode begins with a black and white tinted flashback before moving forward in times where we meet Tamanna in a pivotal role of playing Anuradha Ganeshan and her Alzheimer affected crime novelist father and a bunch of cops. The writer Indra Subramaniam has woven crime and cops seamlessly, quite organic. When Anuradha aka Anu tried to prove her father's innocence who got trapped in a murder case. However, the investigating police officer Sudlai, played by Arul Das, has got more impact than the lead protagonist. There little we see about Anu and her father Ganeshan's actual struggle, though the hacking skill of Anu comes in handy, but it doesn't add up much to his father's case. The true struggle which have to get past is Ganeshan's Alzheimer affliction that constantly threatens Anu's composure. However, after the introduction of Dr. Yeshu, played by Pashupati, the series become gradually more about him, and at that point of time I completely forgot that what Anu was really fighting for. At several points I really felt that narrative has loosened its grip. Why the Ganeshan has landed up on the very same day on his ancestral home when murder was happened. Who was that guy who hacks the police database? And what about that guy? And guess what? Who is working with the cops to digitize the FIR? Anu and Mallar? There cannot be so much of coincidences in a single narrative. However, November Story is quite engaging, bearing the final payoff that is exactly not an organic culmination. The series largely works. There is not much story about Dr. Yeshu and Anu left for us to dig loopholes into. Of course, there are other side stories and activities which doesn't really add up and surely doesn't give a desired level of flavor for a crime thriller like this. Forced humor also doesn't add up any flavor. The sequences between the investigating officer Sudlai and the other cops and some of the Mallar's office sequences, definitely an attempt of comedy, but tonal shift is jarring. Coming to 5 pointers: cast, plot, direction, voiceover and Reviews Unplugged rating. Starting with the cast, Tamanna, who is playing a character of Anuradha Ganeshan. Of course, in the leading role of a lead protagonist, Tamanna has tried to touch the bits of a devastated daughter gracefully and tried to keep up the balance between her professional and personal life. But as I said, that tonal shift is jarring. It seems like her character doesn't become much apparent throughout the entire 8 episode series and has got lost somewhere. Arul Das, he has played the character of Sudlai, who is an investigating officer in this web series of the murder which has been happened in the ancestral home of GM Ganeshan. Now, here I just want to say that this particular character has given more impact than the lead protagonist. His expressionless face give a different level of tone and create more interest from the audience perspective, which is definitely a watch worthy. And he has tried to create a little humor also in all the seriousness which is surrounding the narrative. Pashupati. He has played the character of Dr. Yeshu. Inarguably, he is the character who is the center of the narrative. He has tried to live up to the audience expectation, I can say, in a balanced manner. Coming to the plot, it is a murder mystery with intriguing storyline, narrative moving back and forth, past and present, like any other thriller web series, where it leaves the audience in lurch and give their all the answers in the second last episode and give a little bit of help to join the strings. But believe me, do not compel your mind to do the needful, because come what may, it would be a futile attempt. Adding to the spoiler, you're gonna get all your answer in the end. Coming to the quality of direction, director Indra Subramaniam has succeeded in presenting an interesting narrative by depicting different side plot intervened into the main story. However, the dragging of flashback, a tinted flashback, more than what it was required, adds up to the annoyance of the audience. Coming to the what's wow segment, well, I won't say actually it's a wow factor. Shooting of a post-mortem scenes at actual mortuary location does not make you exclaim with saying wow, but definitely gonna force you to say gross. Coming to the Reviews Unplugged rating, November Story has 7 episodes and devotes far too much time to the dialogue and introspecting the case at hand rather than actual action. Probably this is the reason why from my perspective, I'm gonna give 3 out of 5. At the end, I would like to say that the narrative, however, has Tamanna go missing from time to time without any real consequences. While previous entrants to the Tamil OTT series spaces have aimed at shoehorning a cliffhanger at the end just to keep the option open for another season. Yes, November Story encourages no such compulsion, leading to a comforting sense of completion. So guys, this is all about November Story from my side. You can add up your comments in the comment section. Please hit the bell icon, follow my channel. You can follow me on Insta and Twitter. My Twitter handle is @beat_Pankaj. My Insta ID is reviews_unplugged. Till then, goodbye, stay safe, stay healthy, and namaste.